Hi everybody, 11 Institute welcomes all the students of Standard 9 to Mathematics, chapter number 2, Polynomials video lecture number 14, and in today's video lecture we are going to see about the factorization of the formulas x plus y the whole cube and x minus y the whole cube pertaining to them. But in previous video lecture you have been given question number 7 of exercise 2.5 as homework. So this is the solution to it, right? You can check the answers and compare with the work that you have done. Let us now move ahead in today's video lecture with example 24, and here we have to factorize. So now you might be clear with two parts. We have discussed the expansion of this formula in the previous video lecture, and in this video lecture we are going to study about the factorization of the similar formula. Now you can see cubes over here and two terms with squares over here. Total there are four terms. So you can see that this resembles with this formula x cube y cube. You can see two cubes over here, then 3xy into x plus y. Now when you multiply 3xy into x plus y, you get something like this. I will first of all explain this formula to you. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Now when I solve this ahead, I get x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, right? So you can see something similarly resembled over here, x square y 36. You have to take something common over here, and same thing you can get over here. So this is expansion of what? This is expansion of x plus y the whole cube. So we have to do reverse. In previous sums we have been given this and we were finding out this. In this sum we are being given this and we will find this, right? We have to factorize them. So let us do this. Yes. So first of all, I will write the question over here. Eight x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Now you have to see that all the signs are positive over here. You are seeing two cubes over here. You are seeing two variables x and y. So this is definitely an expansion of x plus y the whole cube. So what you have to do is you have to arrange this in this format, nothing else. So let us do that. For that, what you have to do is just look at the two terms with cube. હવે બની શકે કે 27y ક્યુબ છેલ્લે આપ્યું હોય તો આપણે એને પહેલા લખવાનું ક્વેશ્ચનમાં એવું હોય તો, બટ પરફેક્ટ ક્યુબ વાળી બે ટર્મ આપણે પહેલા ફાઇન્ડ કરી લેવાની અને સૌથી આગળ લખવાની. વચ્ચે બધી બાજુ પ્લસ છે તો છેલ્લે મારી પાસે જે આન્સર આવવાનો છે તેની અંદર વચ્ચે પ્લસ હશે અને હોલ ક્યુબ હશે, રાઈટ? નાઉ વોટ યુ હેવ ટુ ડુ ઇઝ આપણે જે ફોર્મ્યુલા લખતા હતા ને એ જ ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે ફરી પાછી લખવાની છે, રાઈટ? શું લખતા હતા આપણે? x ક્યુબ plus y cube plus 3 into x into y whole multiplied by x plus y. આવું જ કરતા હતા આપણે આની પહેલાના સમ્સમાં બી. ફેર એટલો હતો કે પહેલામાં આપણે એક્સપાન્શન કરતા હતા, અહીંયા આપણે ફેક્ટરાઇઝ કરીએ છીએ, બટ આ જે મિડલ સ્ટેપ છે ધેટ ઇઝ સેમ. એ જ કરવાનું છે. હવે આપણે અહીંયા રિવર્સ કરવાનું છે. શું રિવર્સ કરવાનું છે તે આપણે જોઈએ. 8x ક્યુબ નો ક્યુબ રૂટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. તો 8 નો ક્યુબ રૂટ શું થઈ જશે? 2 અને x ક્યુબ નું શું થઈ જશે? x. સિમિલરલી 27 નો ક્યુબ રૂટ થઈ જશે 3 અને y ક્યુબ નું થઈ જશે y. આપણને જે બે નંબર જોતા હતા એ મળી ગયા. ક્યાં છે? 2x અને 3y. તો ફરી પાછું અહીંયા આપણે શું લખશું? 2x અને 3y. આ ગઈ વખતે આપેલા હતા, આ વખતે આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કર્યા છે. સિમિલરલી ઓવર હિયર ઓલસો વી વિલ રાઇટ 2x and 3y, રાઈટ? મનના સંતોષ માટે એકવાર આને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને જોઈ લેવાનું. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. આવે છે 36. x into x, x square અને into y બરાબર આવે છે. એક ટર્મ આપણે ચેક કરી લીધી, ધેટ ઇઝ ફાઇન. સો આ કોનું એક્સપાન્શન છે? 2x plus 3y the whole cube. તો અહીંયા આપણે રિવર્સમાં આન્સર લખી આપવાનો, 2x plus 3y the whole cube. આ પહેલા કરતા બી ઈઝી છે, બટ આવું એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાય છે તો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ગભરાઈ જાય છે. મને આમાં કંઈ ગભરાવા જેવું દેખાતું નથી. વેરી સિમ્પલ એન્ડ વેરી ઈઝી. સિંગલ સ્ટેપ સમ છે, આમ જોવો તમે, રાઈટ? પ્લીઝ પોઝ ધ વિડીયો એન્ડ રાઇટ ધીસ ડાઉન ઇન યોર CW. I hope you have written this. Let us now move to exercise 2.5 main question number 8, and let us solve the first one. So again I will write the question over here. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now again you can see everywhere there is plus, there are two perfect cubes and rest are squares, right? So again we know that this is expansion of x plus y the whole cube. This I have written here for reference. So what you have to do is again you have to create brackets. Bracket બનાવવાના છે. કેવી રીતના બનાવશો? x cube plus y cube plus 3 into x into y whole multiplied by x plus y. Right, now what you have to do is you have to find the value of x and y in reverse by taking the cube roots. Let us do that. Right, take the cube root of this. So here we can get 2a, and instead of b cube we can write over here b. So now we have got our two numbers 2a and b. So we will write them over here also, 2a b. Again I will write 2a and b. અને મનનો સંતોષ 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 a into a square and b બરાબર આવે છે. So we can write over here that this is expansion of 2a plus b the whole cube. This is our final answer. Very simple. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have written this. Let us now solve the second one. Right? Again we will first write the question itself. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. જેવો માઇનસ દેખાય વાર્તા પૂરી. માઇનસ દેખાય છે આપણને તો આની અંદર ડેફિનેટલી x minus y the whole cube ની ફોર્મ્યુલા બનશે. પ્લસ નો કોઈ ચાન્સીસ નથી. So again what we will do, we will apply the formula over here. What is the formula? X cube minus y cube minus 3 into x into y whole multiplied by x minus y. Sir અહીંયા તો 3 માઇનસ છે, અહીંયા 1 પ્લસ છે. This is final answer. જ્યારે ફોર્મ્યુલા અપ્લાય કરીએ છીએ ત્યારે શું આવે છે? x ક્યુબ minus y ક્યુબ minus 3xy into x minus y. પછી આ માઇનસ માઇનસ મલ્ટીપ્લાય થઈને પ્લસ થાય છે અહીંયા. આપણે તો એવું જોવાનું નથી, આપણે તો ફોર્મ્યુલા જ અપ્લાય કરી છે. નાઉ વી વિલ ગો ઇન રિવર્સ. હવે આપણે ક્યુબ રૂટ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. So cube root of 8a cube is 2a. Instead of b cube we will write b. So again over here I will write 2a and b. Over here also I will write 2a and b. Right, so 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So here we have 12 a square b and this minus. પછી છે minus minus plus 3 2s are 6, 6ab into b is 6ab square. બધું perfect આવે છે. So we can write over here that this is 2a minus b the whole cube. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. I hope you have written this. Let us now move to third one. Yes, so again we will first write the question over here. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. હવે થોડા લોકોને ડાઉટ થાય, સર અહીંયા a ક્યુબ છે પણ અહીંયા તો ત્યાં ક્યુબ જેવું દેખાતું નથી. ફોરગેટ ધેટ. 27 જે ટર્મ તમને અહીંયા દેખાય છે એ પરફેક્ટ ક્યુબ છે. Is 27 a perfect cube? Yes. Is 125 a perfect cube? Yes. Is a cube a perfect cube? Yes. બસ વાર્તા પટી જાય. આના વિશે જાજુ વિચારવાનું નહીં. માઇનસ દેખાય છે તો ડેફિનેટલી આ કોની ફોર્મ્યુલા હશે? x minus y the whole cube. So just arrange the formula over here and write x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x into y whole multiplied by x minus y. Right, now we will apply the formula in reverse. So instead of 27 here I can write 3, right, because 3 cube is 27. Instead of 125 I will write 5. Instead of a cube I will write a. તો મને બે નંબર મળી ગયા મારા 3 અને 5a. So now I can write over here 3 5a. Over here also I can write 3 and 5a. ચેક કરી લ્યો મનના સંતોષ માટે 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 3s are 135. એ છે અહીંયા સિંગલ એ, રાઈટ, અને માઇનસ. બીજી વાર ચેક કરી લ્યો 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 5s are 225. માઇનસ માઇનસ પ્લસ and a into a is a square. બધું બરાબર છે. So over here I can write my answer as 3 minus 5a the whole cube. This is our final answer. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, let us move to the fourth sum. Again, I will first write the question over here. (64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. So again I can see two perfect cubes over here and minus in between them, so this is resembling x minus y the whole cube. So again I will apply the formula but write only brackets. So we can write x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x into y whole multiplied by x minus y. Right, now over here I will go reverse. So instead of 64 I can write 4. Instead of a cube we can write a. So 4 cube is 64, a cube is a cube. Instead of 27b cube I can write 3b. Now I have my two numbers, so I can write them over here. 4a, 3b. Again I can write them over here. 4a, 3b. Check this. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 4s are 144. A into a is a square and this is b, so you get a square b over here. That is fine. So this is our final answer. 4a minus 3b the whole cube. Fine. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have written this. Let us now move to the fifth one. Yes. So again I will first write the question over here. And please mark this fifth sum as important. Such sums have been asked many times. But as again this is very simple. So we can write 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p. Now again you do not have to worry seeing these denominators. Don't worry at all. Just check, is this a perfect cube? Yes. 1 is a perfect cube? Yes. 216 is a perfect cube? Yes. Fine, everything is quite clear to us. Right. We see minus over here, so we know that this is definitely the expansion of x minus y the whole cube. So first let us apply the formula over here. Please be very clear about this sum. People or students often ask this in doubt. Right. This is just as good as normal other sums. So we can write over here x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x into y whole multiplied by x minus y. Now very carefully we have to take the cube roots and write the values over here. Right. Let us do that. See, instead of 27p cube we can write 3p. Instead of 1 we can write 1. Now in denominator instead of 216 we will write 6. Because 6 cube is 216. That's it. I have my two numbers. Just write them over here. Here I can write 3p. Here I can write 1 upon 6. Right. Here again I can write 3p. And here I can write 1 upon 6. Now for your satisfaction, what I will do, I will multiply these numbers and show you what happens. See, 3 into 3p into 1 upon 6. આ ત્રણેયને પહેલા આપણે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ. So this 3 will cancel over here 2 times. તો મારી પાસે શું વધેલું છે હવે? 3p upon 2. આવું છે મારી પાસે, right? બહારના ત્રણ બ્રેકેટ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને. Now this will multiply with 3p over here. So 3 3s are 9. P into P is P square અને upon 2 આવી જાય છે અહીંયા 9 P square upon 2 અને માઇનસ ની સાઇન. I hope this is very much clear to you. એવી જ રીતના આપણે ફરી પાછું અહીંયા માઇનસ છે જ અને આને -1/6 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ, right? So these three will cancel over here 2 times. Minus minus will become plus. ઉપર વધ્યું આપણી પાસે p અને નીચે વધ્યું 2 2s are 4, તો અહીંયા આવી ગયું મારી પાસે p upon 4. Right, you can see that everything is getting tallied and it is matching with the question. Right, so we can simply write this as 3p minus 1/6 the whole cube. Right, this is our final answer. So we end up the video lecture over here. Write this sum also in your CW. One time you have to write everything in CW and one time in your homework book. See, I am clubbing the formulas. I am clubbing the sums, right? The sums of one type in one lecture, sums of another type in another lecture, so that you get enough time, because this chapter is very much important. Not only from examination point of view, but also considering your future classes, right? This chapter is very much important. You have to be very much thorough about it. So spend enough time while doing sums. Don't just merely write them. Pay attention. Try to solve different varieties of sum pertaining to this. Everything is available on internet. You can try searching, factorizing the formulas, right? Hence, we are paying more attention to this exercise. Fine, we will now meet again in the next video lecture and complete the rest of sums. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.